Let's decode international trade with Swati Panji, Principal Consultant at Shriya Enterprise, a trade finance and FMA advisory and a training firm. Today we are going to discuss about a very basic concept of exports imports, which is utilizations of purpose code. अब आप में से काफी ये सोचेंगे कि पर्पस कोड के बारे में क्या ही डिस्कस करना है, वो तो हम रेगुलरली जब भी पैसा आता है जाता है वी गिव द पर्पस कोड टू आवर बैंक्स. वेल, पर्पस कोड इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट लिंक which is linking whatever remittances you are receiving or sending outside with the reportings of RBI to the government, stating for what purpose the funds have flown or gone out of the country. And hence the selection of purpose code, the accurate selection of purpose code is very important. So to give you an example, there are a lot of cases that have come across to me as a consultant whereby the customer comes up and says that my shipping bills are open, my bill of entries are open, and when we go into the detail, we get to know that the correct purpose codes have not been used, which has led to the outstanding of their records into EDPMS, IDPMS. To state another example, अगर एडवांस रेमिटेंसेस आता है शिपमेंट के अगेंस्ट तो नेचुरली हम सब P0103 which is an advance against remittance को यूज करते हैं. However, usage of the same purpose code against the transactions where the shipment has already been done and the remittance is received against that is inaccurate. There, the correct purpose code is P0102. This also has a very huge impact when you will be issuing the EBRCs, which is now at the hands of the exporters based on the regulations that has been issued by DGFT in the year 2023. Hence, please diligently select the purpose codes when you are doing your inward and outward transactions.